Hello guys, welcome in this new video. Today we're gonna see together how to use function like maximum, minimum, average and summation using a turnover analysis. So let's begin together. In the first column we make the months and in the second column we make turnovers. So let's write them. 12 months. Okay. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, and the turnovers, any numbers, just to see the way. Okay, then we write the total turnover after December. Okay, and after that, we want to see the maximum turnovers, the minimum turnovers, and the average turnovers. Just change color. Okay, let's begin now with the function. Here, in the second column, just after total turnover, we're gonna make the summation. We can even make them directly from the function, or we want to write them. The three first letters from summation, sum. And then we select all the numbers. I give you now the easy way, the simple one. We write the name of the function without going and searching in auto function. Now the maximum, just we write max and we select all the turnovers like this. We click enter and it show me the maximum one, which is 310. The same thing in the minimum one. We click minimum equal and we click equal, then minimum, and then we write all the numbers. The last one, the minimum one, is 1250. The average one is the same. We click average. When we write the first letters of the name, they propose me the function existing in Excel, like this. And then we select the turnovers. We click enter. Okay, just like this, and it shows the average of the turnovers, which is 1700 and etc. This is the simple way and the easy way how to use mathematical function in Excel. Thank you for watching this video and goodbye.